Unit conversions are used as early examples in chemistry because they teach students how to change measurements between units using consistent, logical steps that preserve the quantity. Think of unit conversions like changing money from one type to another so you can buy something. You use a rule that keeps the value the same while switching the label. In chemistry, this means using conversion factors that are equal to 1, like 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. So multiplying by that factor does not change the amount, but changes the unit. The process shows how to cancel units step by step, which helps students follow a clear chain of reasoning from a starting value to the needed result. Because each step is simple and mechanical, students can focus on the logic of measurement and calculation without getting lost in complicated concepts. A common mistake is forgetting to cancel units correctly, which leads to wrong answers. So always write units and cancel them like a math problem. Another error is using the wrong conversion factor because of a misremembered relationship, and the fix is to check each factor against a trusted source before multiplying. Students also sometimes skip writing intermediate steps and then cannot find where they went wrong, so jotting down each step keeps the reasoning visible and correctable. For more videos and resources that explain unit conversions and step-by-step chemistry reasoning, visit www.gumballdegree.com.